In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to edit photos with Nano Banana. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. To access Nano Banana, we need to go to Google Gemini, then on the prompt box we need to select Tools, then click Create Images. Now we can click the plus icon and click Upload Files, then upload the files we want. I'm going to upload this photo. Now we simply need to say what we want editing. For example, I can say something like, please can you remove the person from this image. In the matter of seconds, it has come back with this. Here is a before and after comparison. Now I'm going to upload an image of a person with their thumbs up, then ask, please can you change the colour of this person's shirt to red, his thumbs down and he is frowning. This is what it has come back with. Now here is what the original image looks like. Now I'm going to upload this image, then ask, please can you edit this photo so the man is holding a glass of red wine. Gemini has now edited this photo so it looks like this. Finally, I'm going to upload this image and ask, please can you make this image look like it was taken at sunset. Here is the original image, and here is what it looks like after being edited by Gemini. This was just a few examples of what Nano Banana is capable of. You can edit any image however you want with Nano Banana, you just need to ask. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.